Welcome to Iosis Remedies, a trusted name in pharmaceutical manufacturing, nestled in the serene landscapes of North India. Driven by innovation, we specialize in contract manufacturing, delivering high-quality pharmaceutical solutions, holding WHO GMP, ISO, and GLP certifications. We manufacture tablets, capsules, liquid suspensions, and topical formulations. Our warehouse facilities are meticulously maintained under strict standard operating procedures, SOPs, controlling relative humidity, pressure, and temperature for optimal drug stability. Precision begins at the dispensing stage, where raw materials are carefully measured and verified. Our advanced tablet production line boasts an annual capacity of 1.5 billion tablets, ensuring efficiency at scale, from granulation to compression and coating. Every step is optimized for uniformity, bioavailability, and durability of our solid dose formulations. Blister packing technology enhances product protection. While our high-speed capsule filling lines ensure precision dosing for diverse pharmaceutical applications. We employ advanced alu-alu and strip packing solutions to maintain product integrity. Our secondary packaging unit ensures secure and compliant packing of oral solid doses, complemented by sachet packing for unit dose convenience. At Iosis Remedies, infrastructure is our strength. Our liquid production lines adhere to stringent hygiene protocols, maintaining sterility from formulation to bottling. Each liquid product undergoes rigorous filling procedures, quality inspection, and tertiary packing to ensure it reaches customers in perfect condition. Ensuring excellence at every stage of production, with expertise in diverse dosage forms. Our dedicated cream production facility blends precision with innovation. Filling tubes with dermatological and pharmaceutical grade formulations. Quality is non-negotiable. quality control department houses cutting-edge chemical, analytical, and microbiological laboratories, ensuring every batch meets global standards. Delivering high-quality pharmaceutical solutions tailored to global healthcare needs. Our state-of-the-art facility operates under stringent regulatory standards. Supporting our manufacturing excellence is a robust utilities system, including purified water systems, an effluent treatment plant, and high-efficiency boilers for sustainable operations. At Iosis Remedies, we are committed to shaping the future of healthcare through quality, innovation, and integrity. Partner with us for pharmaceutical solutions you can trust.